mama. Secondly, what does a black man call his closest acquaintances?
Man, you better get your ass out the way.
And you will listen to me.
Don't put your damn hands on me, girl. You feeling crazy? Get out the way. Oh, you gonna hit me in my face now?
Now what, Jody? I'm sick of you cheating on me, Jody. You make me sick. You so full of it.
Told you to stop hitting me. You little niggas don't want to see me, homie.
What the fuck? I'm Looney Tunes. You don't know you fucking with what?
So, do something.
All back, not too far though. And for the nose, I'm out. Preferably the nose. It's a soft.
Preferably, huh?
Nigga, you know what I mean. It's over then.
I said don't.
Yeah, that's it, baby boy.
Nigga, you need to move.
Rodney, wake up.
Damn, man.
Get off of me, Rodney. Get off of me. Get out of my room. Get out of my room.
Bring your behind. Sick of playing games.